today I am going to be reviewing squishies. Oh, yeah. So, wait, let me go get my other squishies. I will be right back, okay? One sec. Okay. So, first thing I look at is this cake I got in the mail yesterday. Very surprising. Oh my God, Paige, stop. Sorry, it's one of my friends. So this is the side of it. And yeah, that's that squishy. Next we have, oh my God, stop. We have this stress ball. And the tag is Daru. And this stress ball. And this is the licensing also. The tag and the ball. Now let's take it out. So, let's give it a squish. And I got this from Marshall's, or Michael's. So yeah. Next I have French fries. They call it Smushers, but they're really squishies. Okay, bye. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Hope you love this video, enjoyed it. Bye.